Good Wednesday morning. This is 106.1 KYVZ. Joe Vazurek visiting once again with meteorologist Chris Schramek at Decision Weather Now, as well as America's Weather Streaming Channel. Chris, looks like showers and thunderstorms possible once again later today.
Yeah, Joe, we've got interesting weather patterns setting up here again. We've got a low pressure that's developing on the lee side of the Rockies, and that's turning our winds to a southeasterly direction here this afternoon and picking up 10 to 20, gusting to 25 miles per hour. And that's going to pull Gulf moisture back into the area after leaving behind yesterday's dry line and severe weather in eastern Kansas, Iowa, and Oklahoma. So when that atmosphere gets recharged here throughout the day, we expect that low pressure to start developing showers and thunderstorms out in northeastern Colorado late this afternoon towards evening, and then work across northwest Kansas, southwest Nebraska this evening and into the early morning hours. And what that will do, it does have the potential with that recharged atmosphere. We could see some severe weather. We're thinking mostly hail. That's what we saw yesterday, was large hail with the activity that was off to the east. We did have isolated tornadoes. There was an isolated tornado in areas to the north and west of Manhattan and Topeka, and that stuff got into areas where it was up and down out of the ground. There was some damage to a home and some structures in that Westmoreland area. These isolated tornadoes are possible. So that risk is later this afternoon, evening. We'll be doing coverage again on America Weather Streaming Channel on YouTube and Facebook, but this could be something in our local area. The National Weather Service storms prediction does have us in a slight to moderate risk. This more severe potential does look like it's out there in south central Kansas, north central Oklahoma. Again, that's where, the 60-degree dew points and those warmer temperatures. We're starting out here this morning in the 40s, that easterly wind around 10 miles per hour. We'll see temperatures climb up there into the middle 60s. So that is a little bit cooler than what we were forecasting prior to this. We were thinking it would reach that 70 to 75-degree range. It's going to be slightly cooler. That could inhibit some of the severe weather development, keeping it a little further to the south and east as well. Overnight lows tonight and tomorrow will be dropping to around that 40 degrees. And then as we head into tomorrow, those wraparound showers should end early in the morning. Winds will turn to a north direction, could be gusty, that 30, 35 miles per hour. Again, temperatures will only be in that middle to upper 60s. An overnight low, again, around that 40. And then as we head into Friday, winds will turn back to the east, recharge the atmosphere again, and another front will come through Friday evening with another round of showers and storms. Again, it'll be cooler, lower 60s for highs, not as charged atmosphere. Can't rule out an isolated severe storm, but we're not thinking there'll be that many. And this rain does look good with that second system, as it's showing on computer models. We could pick up a quarter, upwards to 3/4, and maybe even some isolated 1-inch amounts with that second wave of energy there Friday. That moisture will be nice as we got high pressure that will move in for the weekend on Saturday, Sunday. Saturday's morning temperatures could be in the 30s. It looks like 34, 35 degrees is possible in low-lying areas, so we can't rule out maybe some patchy frost to start Saturday morning as the winds die down and the skies clear out. Rebound into the middle 60s Saturday afternoon, high pressure and lower to mid-70s on Sunday. Warming back up into the upper 70s to near 80 on Monday with windy south winds, recharging the atmosphere. Another disturbance could bring another round of showers and storms late Monday into Tuesday.
Okay, once again, that's meteorologist Chris Schramek at Decision Weather Now, as well as America's Weather Streaming Channel. For KYVZ Radio, I'm Joe Vazurek.